Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and be doing a Sephora haul. I'm using some of the products from this haul on my face, and I have a tutorial that's going to be going up. But let's go ahead and talk about the things that I picked up at Sephora because, you know, haul videos are my favorite to watch, and so it's going to be something that I'm going to be doing, you know. So there's some of the products are new, some are just things that I decided to pick up. I have been, you know, window shopping kind of online and taking a look. So let's go ahead and get started with foundation. So I picked up this foundation. This is the Giorgio Armani. This is the Luminous Silk, and I'm in the shade number 9. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put down the shades that I am in foundations down in the description box. So I wanted to go ahead and try this foundation. I don't know why I wanted to try it because, you know, everybody talks about how good it is, but then I realized that it's a luminous foundation and I need to stop doing that because I love the dewy look, but I am oily. So they do have a matte version that I might want to try, but I did wear it one time already, and honestly, it was really good. It held up. It definitely didn't make me look oily the way that other luminous foundations do. So I'm really excited for this one. I do really like it. The tone felt a little bit weird, but I am wearing it now, and when I look at it in the mirror, like, it looks really good. So that's the one of the things that I picked up. The other thing that I picked up was the Laura Mercier. This is the translucent powder in the shade honey, or the translucent in the honey color. So it's a light color and it's for medium skin tones. So I did pick up the little one. They didn't have the big size, but I'm actually glad that I tried the little one because it is the honey. I was not sure about how it was gonna match with my skin and like my products that I like to use. But so far I have been reaching for it. I do like it. It's not like gonna give you a yellow tone the way that other yellow toned powders do. I do like that. So it really makes my foundation, I mean my concealer, and sets my face beautifully. So this is one of the things that I had to pick up. So when I'm done with this one, I'll most likely be picking up the bigger size. One of the other things that I picked up, I really have been loving her lashes. I can't stop. I've bought so many already, and that is the Lily Lashes. So she came out with this line. This is the Miami. They're all pink, so I'm assuming it's a line. It's like a limited time. So I got 2 of them. I got the Miami, and the Miami style is like one of my favorites. So I have the Miami lights on right now, and then I like the regular Miamis. And I mean, I can definitely see what the hype is about, just the way the lashes sit. So I did get this style. This is the Miami Flare, and then this one is in Miami Shore. So, because sometimes, you know, you don't want the long lashes, or at least I don't. So these are the 2 lashes that I got, and I know they're going to be great. I haven't used them just yet, but when I do, I know that they're not going to let me down. The other thing that I bought was this Pat McGrath Labs. This is the Sublime Concealer, and I am in the color LM14, and concealer is my jam. Concealer is like a big thing. Like, I'm always down to try a new concealer. So this is a natural finish, and I did pick it up. I do like the tone for it. I haven't used it enough, but I know that I do like it. Speaking of concealers, I did pick up another concealer, and this is in the Rare Beauty. This is in the color 310W. This is Selena Gomez's line, and so far I do like the concealer. I've used it 2 times. I did see a lot of other things on her line, but I only got this and one other item, which is going to be in this haul. I saw a lot of her products are a lot of luminous and glowy, and those are things that they're just not going to work for my skin type, even though I'd want to use them. So I decided to just kind of hold off and find out about reviews and take my time and see if it's something that I later on decide that I do want to try. So when new lines of products come out, something like this, I don't always jump on the bandwagon and try to get everything. I kind of veer in slow. Concealer is a good one because even though this one might be luminous, it is going under my eyes. There's other concealers that I use that are more luminous. But a foundation is going to sit on the rest of my face. So that's where the concern is for sure. I will keep you guys posted if I do get any more things from her line. They'll definitely be in a haul. The other thing that I bought, which is blush. Guys, I've been going crazy for blush. I don't know why. But I do have one of these blushes already from this line. And man, it's Laura Mercier again. So she's just coming through. I did get two of, they're the Color Infusion blushes. And this is in the color Chai. And then this is in the color Ginger. And they look pretty plain on the pans, but the pigment is there and they really are a nice blush. Like I've got both of them actually on today. I'm wearing both of them. Like it just gives you a nice flush of color, and I think it's different from other blushes that I have. Just the way it's a nice everyday and a nice just flush of color, like I said. So these were two that I picked up and I really, really like them. I have a third one, which is in the color Strawberry. And that one from the pan, you can see that it's a brighter blush. The other thing that I picked up was a lipstick. So I got this from Patrick Ta. This is one of his suede lipsticks. And this is in the color Oh, She's Single. Oh, right. Oh, She's Single. And it is like a beautiful nude color. So beautiful, this nude color. It kind of reminds me of the KKW He's a Mixer, kind of. It's got like a peachy orangey tint to a hint of color to it, which I like. I feel like that's a good color to mix in like with a brown lip liner. So I do like this lipstick, and that's what I have on today. I just really love this lipstick. I've used it a couple times already. So yeah, so I love the tone of that. He did bring other ones, and that nude, it just really stands out to me. Other thing that I got was two lip liners. So I got this Makeup Forever. This is their color Pencil, and this is in the color Limitless Brown. This is what it looks like. It's definitely a true brown. I was stuck between this one and another brown one that they had. But this one is like more of a true brown, kind of like a chocolate is what it looks like. It definitely goes on darker than I expected. I am wearing it today, but I think that with the right lipstick, you can make this work. It's definitely going to take your lip liner game to the next level. The other one, I did get two lip liners. So the other one was by Laura Mercier, and this is in the color Chestnut. And this one definitely, I thought it was going to be more of a brown color, but it definitely has more of a pink color. So I do like it. Not as much as the other color I just mentioned, but I think it is something that can work for me. I actually picked up the one size. This is the 24-hour liquid eyeliner pen, and this is from Patrick Starr's line One Size at Sephora. And I got this pencil because it said it was a matte finish. I did a check earlier in my video. Let me see. Like, I wouldn't say it's matte. I would say it's like a semi-matte, but it is definitely a dark color. Like it's like the black pigmentation is right on with this one. So I'm really excited to keep using this one, and I actually am really glad that I purchased it. So we'll see how it wears. I wore it yesterday when I went out, and it stayed on all night. So honestly, I think that it's really good. And then the felt tip is really nice to do the wing. It feels like so seamless, so easy. So I do like this one. Speaking of eyeliners, there was another one that I picked up, and that is from Rare Beauty. This is the Perfect Strokes matte liquid liner, matte liquid liner. And so the packaging is just so like bomb. Like it is just so bomb. The lip, like it just feels such nice quality. And it's got like the tip, The tip is not really my favorite, but I haven't used it yet, so that could change. But just by looking at it, it's like something that I don't really, it's like, and we'll see if it is matte. So I used the Patrick Star one yesterday. I really liked it, so I decided to use it today. And I'm gonna have to give this one another shot in another video, or the next time I do my makeup. But I'm actually really excited to try it. This matte liner. I love a matte finish. I hate the shiny finish is for liner, and then also the pigmentation on top of it being matte when it's dark, really dark. Like the Patrick Star one, I didn't have to go over it. And so I'm hoping the same works out with the Rare Beauty, where you don't have to go over and make it darker and then it starts to chip off and then it cracks away. You guys know what I'm talking about. Now we're getting to the last couple of items. So I'm going to talk about this one first, and then the other one, I got to tell you guys about that one. All right, so I actually picked up this Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I don't know, I was just really calling my name. I wanted to try something a little bit different. I did try it today, so I haven't tried it enough yet, but it had really good reviews, so I'm excited for this setting spray. And so this is the last thing. So two of these things are actually from Ulta, but they didn't make it to the cut for my last Ulta video, and I haven't got a lot of things from 21 Days of Beauty, so it's probably not going to make the cut into a video like that. One of these items you can get at Sephora, so, or I guess you can. The last time I went into Sephora, actually, they're not carrying too much of this brand anymore. So, okay. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got the Buxom. This is the full-on plumping lip polish. And this is a gloss by Buxom. And this is in the color Dylan. And that's actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. That's a gloss. I mean, it's so nice. It makes your lips look all juicy. Very good. And it's got that minty feel, which honestly is something that I'm really liking for glosses. Like when they give you that minty feel, like you just feel fresh and you can just, your lips feel like I don't know, it's a vibe when you have that fresh minty feeling on your lips. So like, I don't know, I feel like if it doesn't have like a scent or that minty feel, it's like it's not the same, you know? So anyways, that's that. I think you can get it online at Sephora, but my Sephora, the last time I was looking for Buxom stuff, they told me that they're not really carrying a lot of Buxom things. Like they only had it like at the checkout section. So that was really weird. Maybe they're going to be more exclusive to Ulta, because I know Ulta has a whole section, but I don't know. Speaking of Ulta, this is from Buxom, from their fall collection, and these are two glosses. They're the full-on plumping lip cream, and I got two of them, and out of them it's the pumpkin spice latte and the spiked apple cider gloss. And they definitely do smell like fall, which it's like, I'm probably gonna upset some people, but fall scents are they're disgusting. I cannot do a fall scents. It's not for me. It's not for me, for sure. It definitely is not. So I like the colors, but yeah, like the scent is like okay. It still kind of has a little bit of that mint hint, so it's doable, but it's not for me, those scents. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a swatch right here so you guys can see their beautiful color, and they're the cream, so they actually have a little bit of more of a pigment on the glosses, like when you put them on. So it can definitely transform your lip color. So if you're looking for like a hint of color, because sometimes the glosses are just kind of like toppers and like they won't change the way that the lip looks, and then sometimes they have a little bit of pigment and it's going to change that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys liked all these items in this haul. And let me know if you liked it, and if you want to try any of these items, if you have, any way you feel about the Rare Beauty stuff. Not really looking to review her line. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but yeah, I guess I'll just catch you guys in my next video.